Introducing 3M's all-new impact-resistant structural adhesive. This adhesive is a two-part epoxy chemistry which provides a 1-hour work time, but for increased production, it can be rapidly cured with heat. This structural adhesive will be available in both the 200 milliliter cartridge and the 450 milliliter dynamic mixing system cartridge. This adhesive has excellent adhesion to many properly prepared substrates, such as both mild and high-strength steel and any automotive aluminum alloy. Unlike a panel bonding adhesive, this impact-resistant structural adhesive is intended for true structural bonding applications when specified by an automotive OEM for absorption of collision energy forces. After washing the surface with soap and water to remove water-soluble contaminants, follow with an appropriate 3M product for removal of surface contaminants. Then remove all rust, primer, and paint from the areas to be bonded using a 3M grade 80 roll-lock grinding disc or coarse Scotch-Brite file belt. Only bond to clean, rust-free bare metal. Test fit all parts, including rivets or fasteners, and minimize large gaps between the flanges to ensure a uniform adhesive bond. Once you've achieved proper fit up, remove the part from the vehicle. To begin, remove the retaining collar and plug from the end of the cartridge. Discard the plug, but save the retaining collar. Place the adhesive cartridge in the applicator gun. Before attaching the mixing nozzle, equalize the cartridge by dispensing just enough product to be sure both parts A and B are present in the outlet. Attach a 3M mixing nozzle to the cartridge and lock in place with the retaining collar. Dispense a small amount of material through the mixing nozzle onto a disposable surface and discard. Apply an adhesive bead to all bare metal surfaces of both pieces to be bonded. Use an acid brush to tool out the adhesive to cover all bare metal surfaces. Then apply a second 1/8 to 1/4 inch diameter adhesive bead to one of the parts, centered on the flange, or as specified in the OEM collision repair manual. Wide flanges or flanges with small gaps may require a larger bead. Apply a large enough bead to allow the adhesive to fill all voids and squeeze out of the flange seam, indicating that the joint is completely sealed. Once all the adhesive has been applied, clamp or fix your parts together with any OEM recommended mechanical fasteners. Be sure to protect surrounding surfaces as you should experience some squeeze out. This ensures that enough adhesive has been applied to create a good bond. Tool any adhesive squeeze out to seal the outside of the seam along all bonded edges. Areas to be welded using squeeze-type resistant spot welding should be coated with 3M impact-resistant structural adhesive. Perform squeeze-type resistant spot welding while the adhesive is uncured. Set rivets or other fasteners while the adhesive is still uncured, typically within 2 hours of adhesive application. Excess uncured adhesive may be cleaned from most surfaces with an appropriate 3M product. This impact-resistant structural adhesive has a unique color-changing technology which indicates the curing process has begun. This feature eliminates any doubt as to whether the adhesive is mixed properly and will cure correctly. When the adhesive begins to cure, it will change from the silver color to a purple color, replicating many OEM's structural adhesives. There are currently several vehicle platforms that require an impact-resistant structural adhesive, and there are sure to be many more in the near future as vehicle makers move towards lighter weight structures. There are many advantages to using an adhesive along with welds or rivets in the attachment joint. The benefits include having a continuous bond along the entire flange, completely sealing the joint for optimal corrosion protection, reduction in noise, vibration and harshness, and increased torsional rigidity of the vehicle structure. Other important features of 3M impact-resistant structural adhesive include higher impact strength versus traditional bonding adhesives, corrosion-inhibiting formula, lifetime corrosion protection, and excellent hot and cold temperature performance. The new 3M impact resistant structural adhesive in both 200 milliliter and the DMS formats can meet your structural adhesive needs. Should you have any questions on this product, please contact your local 3M field professional or authorized 3M distributor.